The following program is rated TV PG. Some scenes may be too scary for children under 7. We suggest watching together as a family.
So what we're seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Van de Graaff generator in action. It is producing an electrostatic charge as evidenced by the effect on Philip's hair. Now, who can tell me what this demonstrates?
I know. Mr. Franklin, I did the reading.
I'm sure you did, Philip. Thank you. But let's see if anyone else can help us today. Huh? Anyone? Boyd, how refreshing to hear from you. Please.
What this demonstrates is that Philip can look even more like a dweeb than usual.
Class, settle. Now let's not make light of our volunteer.
But I gotta add, I love the hair.
And that, class, that was an unplanned demonstration of a charge transfer. It's what happens when highly charged electrons jump from one surface to another. For those of you concerned about Boyd's well-being, I assure you that a small shock like that is not harmful. It just smarts a bit. Dismiss.
Ow! I didn't do it on purpose.
But you thought it was funny.
Hey, why don't you take it easy on him?
Why don't you take a hike?
I had to punch your nerd face.
I wouldn't do that.
Yeah? You gonna do something about it?
I won't. But my robot will. He'll get you.
Did he just say his robot was gonna get me?
That's what he said.
That's right. My robot doesn't like it when people mess with me. He's gonna get you.
Quit lying! You don't have a robot.
Hey, you know what? I bet she was just kidding about the whole robot story. Right?
No, he's totally real. That's why it's only fair to warn you.
Warn me?
Is there a problem?
No.
You better cool it with the whole robot story.
Don't let my robot hear you say that.
You're not getting it. Nobody believes you have a robot.
But I do. I bought him off the internet. He came in pieces. I had to assemble him. He came with a robot manual and everything.
When you talk like that, you just sound like a weirdo. All I mean is, with muscleheads like Boyd and Joey around, it's better if you just stay below the radar, you know? Who's Metal Man 27? Philip's robot?
So that's what I get for trying to help you? Just some lame joke?
What?
The email, the one that your robot sent me. Thank you for helping Philip sign Philip's robot?
Oh no. I was afraid he might do something like this. I knew I shouldn't have told him about you. Come on.
Class is about to start.
Come on.
Yo, check this out.
No way.
No, I'm serious. Check it out.
Gotcha.
Tell me exactly what the message said.
I already told you.
And if he contacts you again, don't answer.
Okay, we're getting into that weirdo area that we talked about.
We gotta go. Come with me. Is this door locked?
What's going on?
He must have come to spy on me. Or on you. He does that kind of stuff. Don't you hear the metal sounds?
So you're telling me that your robot's here? I want to meet her.
No, just trust me. I think he's gone.
What are you kids doing? Get out of there!
Seriously?
Sorry, I thought it was him.
Just stop and leave me alone.
Hi, Tim. I just want to say, forget everything I said about the, you know what? I made it all up like a joke. Ha ha.
Okay.
See ya. Hello? I'm home. I'm here. I'm sorry I'm a little late, but I'll get my chores done right away. No, Robot, don't hurt him. This is my friend, Tim. Remember the one you sent the email to?
Dude, you have a robot.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
He doesn't like it when you get too close.
Can't believe you got something like this online.
He wasn't exactly like this when I got him, but yeah. Excellent.
Hey, what are these lights?
I told you.
Sorry, I didn't mean to get up in your personal space.
Robot, I really don't want a smoothie today. Is it okay if we just save it for tomorrow?
I insist.
Whoa, he talks too?
I am here to help you.
My robot read that kelp and liver shakes are healthy for you.
No way. You're not actually gonna drink that gross stuff, are you? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I changed my mind.
It is essential that you get your vitamins. Eating a balanced diet will aid in reaching your highest possible level of productivity.
I feel healthier already. You better go now. I have stuff to do.
That robot of yours, he's kind of intense, huh?
Can we talk about this at school? It's time for my daily aerobic exercises, and then I have to study for exactly 3 hours. Oh, my robot says that sticking to a strict schedule teaches self-discipline and time management. Okay, I'm coming. You should go. See ya. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Faster.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, not only does he make me exercise and study, I'm not allowed to eat junk food or watch TV that isn't educational. I'm not even allowed to ride my bike because it's too dangerous.
That's messed up. I thought a robot would be cool.
He was at first. The robot's factory default setting is to help in every way. So he used to do my chores, he baked me cookies, even did my homework.
Sweet. So, what went wrong?
The robot started to learn.
Learn? What do you mean learn? It's a machine.
He has artificial intelligence with a high-functioning quantum optical processor. He read books, he surfed the net, and he decided that the best way to help me was to make me do my own work, because it builds character. No. He'll know.
Have you ever tried saying no to the robot? I mean, just do what it says.
You can't say no to my robot, ever. And don't let him hear you say something like that.
Why not?
Because I don't want the same thing happening to you that happened to my parents.
Hey, wait up!
The robot did something to your parents?
He thought they were a bad influence. Things got out of hand. Now my parents are too scared of him to come back home.
Dude, you've got to get rid of this robot.
Do you think I haven't tried? Look, the factory won't take him back, and his off switch is under a panel in the front. He won't let me near it.
There's got to be some way to shut him down. Wait, he's basically a computer with feet, right?
Yeah?
Well, don't electronics have integrated circuits that are vulnerable to electric shocks?
Right. Right, okay. I know where you're going. But we're gonna need some muscle to pull this off.
Don't have to be so serious about it. Calm down. What are you doing? Quit being a goof. I got you.
Them.
No way.
Yeah, okay.
Dude, come on. Well, what do you think? Oh, you got nothing. All right, let's go.
Hey, guys!
Look, it's Robot Boy and his bodyguard.
Yo, I've been meaning to ask you. Does your robot do the robot?
Maybe if you help us out, you'll get to ask him yourself.
Philip, is wait.
This better be the truth, dweeb. And you remember you're doing our homework for a week, whether this robot is real or not.
Are you sure he'll show up?
Since I didn't come home from school on time, he'll think that I'm in trouble and need help.
It's him, all right. Ready?
Help! Help! Please help! Help me! Help! 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 Please help! Help me! Help! Help! Please help! Help me!
What is that?
It's me, Philip. Help! Help! Please help! Help me!
I don't believe it. Little twerp was telling the truth all along. Let's check it.
Wait, you were supposed to bring him into the science room and then hold him down when we turn on the generator.
Get that.
They're ruining the plan.
Hold up there, metalhead. I want to get a look at you. Hurry up! You move it! Get out of my way!
We can't do this alone.
We don't have a choice.
Help! Help! Please help! Help! Please help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help!
Philip, I am here. I will help you.
Help me! Robot! Robot! It's me, Philip! Robot, help me! It's me, Philip! Robot! Help me! Tim! Come on! It worked. Like a charm.
Reset. Vin 20 JTech 56.
It's okay. He's just rebooting. He'll reset to the original factory specifications.
Greetings. I am Robot.
Hi, Robot. I'm Tim.
Tim.
Yes! You just imprinted on the robot. He's all yours now.
You knew this would happen. You set me up.
I'm sorry, I can't stay and chat. I need to go eat pizza and ride my bike. And tell my parents they can come home. Oh,
Good luck with your robot.
Stop, Tim. I am here to help you.